The number one question that we get here, either on tours or online, is how do you deal with squash bugs? And here at the farm, we have not found the magic bullet yet, but we'll share some of our techniques that we do here at the farm, and hopefully you guys can share more techniques with us. We steer away from using conventional treatments because we want to walk into our gardens and greenhouses and feel safe to touch and taste and smell. Some of the best things that you can do to have higher success is, one, try to grow under cover. If you can protect the plant in an environment like a greenhouse or a low tunnel or a cat tunnel, you may increase your success rate by being able to control the environment, whether it's irrigation or an integrated pest management. Another way is rotating plots but also crops, trying to disturb the overwintering environment where the squash bugs like to hide for the winter. We still have pressure from squash bugs outside, so we have less pressure when we rotate. Beyond crop rotations, some of the methods that we use here at Baker Creek to control for squash bugs, early on we may spray a OMRI listed insecticide, maybe pyrethrins if we're noticing early on, or something like a safer soap or some mineral oil based product. There's also increasing our biology by having insectaries where we want to increase natural predators, and having larger gardens with flowers and diversity helps attract those predators to help offset the pest and nuisance that we have in the gardens. If you have the ability to grow more than you really need to see who survives and has more resistance and resilience to these pest pressures, give it a try. When you have those plants that survive the squash bug pressures, save the seed from those varieties that are less susceptible to the squash bug pressure. The nice thing about squash, you can grow the different species together, like the maximum, machados, and pepos, and save seed from individual species without them crossing. Saving your seeds is one of the most important skills that we can carry on into the future, not only as an individual, but as a community of growers and gardeners. Saving your own seeds and having the skill to do so will allow us to have adapted varieties to our own unique growing areas.